Very excited. I'm looking forward to it. More than me watching the film, I'm so excited that all my friends and family have turned up, and it's a fun night for me, really.
Mahima, what are your expectations from the film?
Just as it is tonight, I'm expecting a lot of excitement, and I'm expecting a lot of people to watch it and love it. It's a great step that Tanuja has taken to make a film which is global. So I'm hoping a lot of people will watch it.
Please tell us something about the storyline of the film.
I beg your pardon?
Storyline of the film.
The storyline is very simple. It has to do with love, and it's about continuing to love and believing in love and life, in spite of having any shocking moment around you or any sense of loss around you. So it's about life. It's about going on with life, and it's a very positive film. It speaks about love. It's a beautiful love story between the Sikh girl and a Muslim boy during difficult times, and during post 9/11. So that's pretty much the story.
You are back after like a long time. So how are you feeling about it?
Oh, very excited. I think it's. I love